Here is March 31 Wednesday, today's economic event. Philippine PPI release, Singapore bank lending release, Thailand industrial production export-import number release, Japan industrial production release, China manufacturing PMI release, this is important, US non-firm employment change release, this is important, and also crude oil inventories release. Share of the total population that receive at least one vaccine dose. Singapore, March 23rd, 13.7%, Japan 0.7%, US 28.4%, UK 44.9%. Equity side, STI index was closed 3190, 0.5% up yesterday. Genting Singapore up more than 1%. Hong Kong land is a business time release this news. Should investors bet on the Hong Kong land going private? There is a speculation that other tightly held units within the Jardine Group might also soon be taken private. Jardine Strategic owned the 15.4% of the Hong Kong land. OCBC share buyback is a ST Engineering released this news. Is a ST Engineering raised a bid for the Cubic Corporation to the US dollar $78, previously the $76. And the Maybank also released this news. More restructuring and privatization may become like a Jardine Group and a Capital One Group. Is for example, like some companies seek the better valuation for the specific market. Singtel case is a domestic market, is an Australian operation Optus market, and the Wilmar is they did the IPO for China, now a non-Chinese emerging market operation side. Other potential restructuring candidate is the developers like a Keppel, Fraser Property and the UOL. Also Thai Beverage, they are planning to IPO for the beer section. Thai Beverage yesterday up more than 2%, UOL, Wilmar up as well. Then the Maybank call buy on Thai Beverage and the target price is 0.95. 5 company did share buyback, OCBC 9 consecutive days with the 300k shares as usual. Abarga is the last share buyback was March 1, is a Singapore dollar 0.3, so 0.32 is the yesterday price. Asia stock yesterday is a more than 2% up is the India BSE, more than 1% up is the India Nifty and the South Korea. 2 consecutive days down is the Australia, Indonesia. US stock yesterday, Dow, S&P, Nasdaq down, the last sale up. US stock sector performances, consumer cyclical like a airline, luxury item car is up. Consumer defensive like a food, beverage and the tobacco down. Futures this morning for the US stock commodity all down. Currency side, 1 Singapore dollar is 0.74 US dollars, 3.07 Malaysia ringgit, 81.84 Japanese yen, 4.87 Chinese yuan, basically flat except Japanese yen, Singapore dollar appreciated. Japanese yen is depreciating. Keep going on. Then the US dollar index is now 93.27, upward trend keep going up. Interest rate is a Sibor 3 months 43.7 base point, no change. Singapore government bond yield is a longer one, 10-year, 15-year, 20-year, 30-year is all up. Is yesterday only one day 6 base point, 7 base point up. Now 10-year is a 1.75%. Private property home loan, but meanwhile is a floating no change 1.03, is a fixed 1.14 no change as well. This one US 10-year Treasury note 1.723%. Its upward trend keep going up. Thanks for company. Have a good deal and a good day.